Two things I was thinking whenever I designed the fly was, what materials can I put in here? Synthetics, deer hair, things that didn't absorb water so that I didn't have to cast that water, and that it would shed water so that it would be more fishable. And so keeping it light. The second component and major component is the action of it. The deer hair wants to float on the head, which fights against the sinking line and creates a wobble. The tail is tied on as such that it's free swinging, and so once the head wobbles, the tail follows. And the long deceiver tails follows through real nice with a little kick. It's basically as simple as that, and what I've tried to do is design a fly that imitated a wounded bait fish. It ended up that I could get a really nice tight wobble wobble or wiggle wiggle, whatever you want to call it, out of the head, and that I could also stop that, and when I stopped that line would swing free and that it would roll over on itself. And as it rolled over on itself, it looks very much like a fluke or that type pattern where it wants to roll over on itself as a wounded bait fish would. So the wiggle wiggle, pause, or kill shot is the way it's designed to fish.